Hello, welcome to Reflect, Improve, and Thrive. I'm your host, Hunter Noons, and I'm super excited to start this journey with you guys. I wanted to come on here and kind of give you guys a trailer episode of what Reflect, Improve, and Thrive is all about. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing lots of reflecting, rather that be focusing on where we've been, focusing on where we're currently at, or maybe even focusing on what the future entails for us. Secondly, we're going to be doing lots of improvements. I personally do best with a guide, so I'm going to be doing lots of step-by-step guides. We're going to be focusing on a lot of mindset shifts to make. And then lastly, the third segment is all about thriving. So that is where I'm just going to spew out any motivation that I can to kind of get you in the right headspace. As soon as you end the episode, you feel more motivated and excited. You're going to step into this new version of yourself and you're going to feel so amazing and it's going to be epic. We're going to have lots of honest conversations. We're going to be talking about law of attraction, manifesting, all of those things. And additionally, if you do want to see extra videos, I do really love meditation, yoga, subliminals. I will be posting on my YouTube channel there. So feel free to check the show notes if you're listening on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. You can listen while you're going to the gym, going on a walk, maybe while you're working, maybe while you're cleaning. We're going to grow one day at a time. So if you're in it, make sure you follow and I will see you guys in our first episode. And the journey starts now.